When you start a new project, your initial momentum often stalls before you can write a single line of code. You are forced to track down independent installers, configure local environment variables, and resolve path conflicts manually. DevTools Installer is a free Windows utility that bypasses this configuration process. It automates the download, extraction, and system pathing for dozens of core development languages and frameworks in a single click. To use it, you only need a 64-bit machine running Windows 10 or 11 and an active internet connection. Removing these setup barriers allows you to spend your first hour on a new machine building software rather than troubleshooting your environment. Download the lightweight executable file directly from the DevTools Installer website and double-click to launch it. The tool runs immediately without requiring its own installation wizard. Because this is an independent project, Windows Smart Screen will flag the file. To proceed, select the More Info link located directly under the main warning text. This warning appears because free, open-source projects often forego the expensive annual code signing certificates required by Microsoft. Despite the warning, the tool fetches every framework directly from official telemetry-free sources. After selecting More Info, click the Run Anyway button at the bottom of the window to open the interface. Understanding the origin of these security flags allows you to utilize powerful independent utilities that would otherwise be blocked by automated system warnings. The main interface offers two paths. You can construct a custom development stack by selecting individual tools, or deploy a pre-configured workflow bundle. If you build a stack manually, you check the boxes for the runtimes you need. If a tool like Maven is selected without its required dependency, such as Java, the UI displays a warning so you can resolve the requirement before proceeding. While you can click every tool manually, selecting a single quick setup bundle provides the same result in a fraction of the time. Clicking the Full Stack Developer Bundle instantly queues Java, Node.js, Python, and Git, ensuring all dependencies are met simultaneously. These curated bundles remove the guesswork of software compatibility, providing a stable foundation for your development work. Once your stack is ready, click the Install Selected button to initiate the automation. Out of sight, the installer performs 4 background operations. It fetches official binaries, extracts files to your drive, injects path variables into the system registry, and runs a final version verification. A correctly configured environment provides command line access to your tools immediately without requiring a system reboot. Entering Node-v and Git-version into the terminal returns the specific version numbers, confirming that both runtimes are active and communicating with the system. This process takes you from the installer to a verified terminal in seconds, bypassing the Windows Environment Variables menu entirely. When a project concludes or you switch technology stacks, you may want to reclaim hard drive space by removing unused frameworks. Within the installer, the Installed tab allows you to view your current tools and select those no longer required for your workflow. The uninstallation utility deletes the primary binaries, removes leftover configuration files, and cleans the system path variables in one operation. Maintaining a clean system requires the ability to reverse these configurations, preventing your machine from accumulating obsolete dependencies over time. In under 5 minutes, you have transformed an unconfigured Windows PC into a production-ready development environment. You can launch your preferred editor and begin building your application immediately. For those interested in the underlying mechanics, the project website provides detailed guides explaining the specific paths and variables used during the automation. By automating these initial barriers, you can focus your energy on solving problems in your code from the very first minute.